Good morning Year 2 and welcome to another spelling session. In today's session I'm going to be handing over the thinking over to you. So let's start by having a look at these words here. I'm going to read out each word and I want you to listen carefully and try and think about what spelling rule we're going to be focusing on today, because remember these are all rules that we have looked at before already, and there's a clue here. There's a reason why I've underlined the letter O. Okay, so use that to think about what rule we're going to be focusing on today. O, th, other. M, o, n, d, a, Monday. W, o, n, d, wonder. L, o, v, ing, loving. M, o, n, e, money. Does that make sense? Has anybody already worked out what it is we're going to be focusing on today? Remember, there's a difference between the way we write a word and the way we say a word. So in this particular case, we're looking at how do we actually say the letter O when we're looking at these words. Because usually at this point, I tell you what it is, but I want you to try and think and remember, because remember, we've looked at this before already. Let's see, so I want you to read each word out again carefully and think about the letter O. How do we actually say the letter O when we're reading these particular words? Let's see. Are we ready? We say it as other, Monday, wonder, loving, money. And remember, this is not for all words, this is just for some words. And those are the words that we're going to be focusing on today. So remember, in today's session and in some words, when we see the letter O, we say it as okay? So with bearing that in mind, I want you now to have a go at just reading through each word by yourself, okay? And then we'll read each word together. Honey, month, glove, cover, oven, dozen, okay? Well done. So remember, these are words where we see the letter O, but we actually say it as okay? So with that in mind, I'm now going to ask you to write down a word, and it's a word we've looked at before. We've just looked at, so let's see who remembers. Other. Other. Remember, how do we actually write it, even though we're hearing the sound? Are we ready? Other. Other. Now, using this word to help you, I'm now going to ask you to write down 3 more words. But I want you to use this word to help you write the next 3 words I'm about to say. First word, brother. 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 Next word, mother. Mother. And the final word, another. Another. I'm not going to spell this word out. This is, again, I'm handing over thinking to you. I'm going to say this word out one more time. Listen carefully. Another. Okay, are we ready? Let's have a look. Brother, mother, another. Well done if you got those words right, okay? And as an extra challenge, if you want to write these words out and put them into your own sentences, you may. Don't forget to post them on our Twitter page, okay? Now, finally, before we start our task, our nonsense sentence. And this is quite a long sentence, so listen carefully. Remember, once I've read out the sentence, you can pause your video so you've got some time to think about it and write it. I wonder how much money I am going to have by next Monday. Full stop. I'll read that sentence one more time and then you can pause your video. I wonder how much money I am going to have by next Monday. Full stop. Are we ready? Let's have a look. I wonder how much money I am going to have by next Monday. And well done if you remembered the capital M for Monday. Okay? Well done. Now, before we finish, let's have our spag task. Listen carefully. Tick the sentence that shows what the teacher is doing now. What the teacher is doing now. So when we think about the word now, we know that means the present tense. The teacher wrote on the board. The teacher is looking at the paintings. The teacher asked the class to tidy up. The teacher was reading a story. Which sentence tells you what the teacher is doing now? Have a think. Are we ready? The answer is the teacher is looking at the painting. So what the teacher is doing now. Well done if you got that sentence right. And don't forget, remember, any home learning, don't forget to post it on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.